Hello everyone. Now our next visual is card. A card is the most simplest of all the Power BI visual, containing only a single number. The number you choose to represent in the visual should be of the importance, such as the total sales, total profit, quantity, total number of orders, or total number of city. We can take any value, but it should always contain a single value. So now we'll see here. So just click on the card in the visual section. Now we'll see here. This card we can move any single value here. Just take cells here. Now we'll format it here. Category general effects. We'll take the no visual border shadow. Now we'll change the title here. Cells bold text color. No, we can take any color depend on our choice, whatever you feel. Now this is the total sales value. Here we have taken a single value sales here. Now if you want, we can change the formatting of the text a bit looks big size. 45 too big size. Yeah, 30. Now it's fine. Yes. Now it's a look fine. Here we can say the sales formatting total value 2.30 and now we can now we simply copy paste here. So like that we can move various value. We'll see here. Like here we have the sales. Now we'll move the profit here. Now total profit is 286.40k. We'll change the title. Total profit here. Yes. Now here we'll move the quantity. The quantity is 38k here. So we'll change the quantity here. Now if we want to move the total number of orders, we can do it. So just go to order ID here. It's showing the first order, but we have to show the total number of order. So here we'll move the count. Total count of order is a 9994 here. We'll change the formatting here. Number of order. If it sound count of order ID distinct, so it will be 5009 here. Now sales. Suppose you want to count the total number of city here. We can do that thing here. This is the first city. Count distinct. So total number of, here we have to change the format. Number of city here. So total number of cities 531. Like that we can create the several cards depend on our requirement, and we can format it as well.